Hey traders, guys, I'll do an update on the euro um, for everybody. Across a few different pairs, you have euro pound. Let's see. Well, let's step back. Big picture, I think we're still high within the range. You take the trade signals off. Let's see. Give me a second. So every time we get up closer to 0.9, this has been the top of the range. I just had that regression channel drawn on here. Essentially just this is the long-term range, guys. Even if even back here, this was the high as longer term if you look on the monthly level. So anytime we get high within the range, I want to make some sales, and then we get rewarded on the smaller time frames. So still playing the core short euro pound. You can see on the hourly 4-hour, we had some nice covers down here. What was that, Wednesday? Alright, so I put the signals back on. You can pretty much clearly see that. So short, I mean, we missed selling it into this entire rally up here, but covering here, here, that was the right move. Even sold some stuff this morning, made a little bit of money there. So that's still want to play that one on the short side. However, the rest of the Eurozone, in USD in particular, this is a pretty big weekly close up here. All right, closing through 113 definitely matters. On the monthly level, there's still room to cycle higher. We've been following this cycle, so maybe we rally into July before we have another multi-week move to the downside. All right, so I am long now euros, and I'm looking to buy dips on Euro USD, Euro versus Kiwi, and then we'll see if we can test the highs up here. You know, 115, 116, 115 to 117 zone, all of this, and you got the 200 coming in here. So I think that's probably where the euro's headed, and then from there we'll see what happens. We'll see how price reacts. If we get something bearish, like a topping tail here, then we'll go back short, and we'll see if the monthly cycle rolls over. All right. So that euro, that's pretty much the main driver then of euro versus Kiwi. And so this week, Euro Kiwi, it's got a little bit trickier. There's a couple things going on this one. We held the 200. This is a real money candle in the model. So I'd like to see some more. You'd think there'd be more follow through here, but we also failed at the 30. So, but as long as this candle still remains intact, I'm thinking on the long side. Right, so we'll keep looking for dips to buy on the 30-minute with the cycle, 15-minute. There was a couple good spots here earlier in the week. We bought here. All right, took profits into here and rebought a little bit today. So that's how I'm playing that one into next week. All right, and then it's the same kind of thing here on Euro Yen. Just absolutely ripping this week. There's nothing bearish about this chart. When you step back to the higher time frames, there's room to go all the way back to 130. Lots of room to go back to the 200 here on the weekly level. Weekly's turning up. Daily cycle's already had a good run, guys, but it's still bullish. So on 4-hour, 1-hour dips, it's all intermediate term bullish. Want to be better buyer. So that's what I'm thinking on the euro overall. And I'll hit on a few other pairs here shortly.